Hello, my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, it's that time for our Izzy&Liv Brown Sugar Box. We're a little late this month, but that's okay. We got it a little late. There were some issues that were happening over there, but they explained it to everyone, and it's totally understandable. And I want to thank Izzy&Liv for notifying us and letting us know what issues that you were having with getting us our March boxes. But I am so happy and excited that I just received my box. So I'm so excited to just share it with everyone. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right in.